Roger, Tower, Philippine 112 Heavy, boarding status super right.
Philippine 112 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, traffic home position, Heavy 767, customer turbulence. Wind 0806, runway 24 right, clear to land.
There's a super right, Philippine 112.
Air Premia 101 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower.
Go ahead, Air Premia 101 Heavy.
Air Premia 101 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, good morning. Customer turbulence heavy, Airbus departing, wind 0805, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 24 right, wheel right, Air Premia 101.
Air Premia 101 Heavy, turn left Alpha Alpha, garage runway 24 left, contact ground point 65.
Cross, Becky Alpha Alpha, cross runway 24 left and contact ground point 65, Air Premia 108.
Los Angeles Tower, good morning. Qantas 93 Super, establish visual approach 24 right.
Qantas 93 Super LA Tower, good morning. Cockpit turbulence appreciated by heavy Dreamliner. Traffic in position, wind 0805, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Good land, 24 right, Qantas 93 Super.
Qantas 93 Super, if able, turn left Alpha Alpha, cross runway 24 left, contact ground point 65.
Left on Alpha Alpha, cross 24 left and point 65, 93 Sorry, 637 visual 24 right.
637 LA Tower, customer turbulence, Super Airbus over the numbers, wind 0706, runway 24 right, clear to land, and traffic will hold in position.
24 right, clear to land, 637.
Good morning, Harry, Alaska 1279, on a visual 24 right.
Spokane LA Tower, good morning. Traffic will hold in position, wind 0703, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear land, runway 24 right, Alaska 1279.
LA Tower, good morning, Trainer 017 Super approaching visual super right.
Southwest 839, contact SoCal, departure, good day.
For departure, Southwest 839.
Korean 017 Super, Los Angeles Tower, wind 0704, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Good land, super right, Trainer 07.
Korean 017 Super, turn left at the end, cross runway 24 left, contact ground point 65.
Cross it in, cross the left, contact ground 165, Trainer 07.
Delta 1421, exit Alpha Alpha, crossing in 24 left, ground point 65.
Alpha Alpha cross 24 left, ground point 65, Delta 1421.
4866 LA Tower, good morning. Reduce the final, traffic holding in position, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, reduce the final, success, that's 4866.
Thank you, sir. Delta 1421, don't slow down, go all the way down to Alpha Alpha, please. Hawaiian 63, cross runway 24 right, hold short for 194 left.
Cross runway 24 right, hold short, 24, hold short, 2, say again, Hawaiian 63.
Yeah, I said that backwards. Hawaiian 63, hold short of runway 24 right.
Hold short, 24 right, Hawaiian 63.
Scout 3794, cross runway 24 left, hold short of runway 24 right.
24 left, hold short, 24 right, Scout 3794.
Hawaiian 63, wind calm, RNAV Fabra, runway 24 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Fabra, runway 24 right, cleared for takeoff, Hawaiian 63.
Hawaiian 63, traffic's a 3-mile final.
Hawaiian 63.
Hawaiian 63, can I soak out the puck to you?
Order departure, Hawaiian 63.
LA Tower, good morning, Asiana 202 Super, approaching 24 right, Detroit.
Asiana 202 Super LA Tower, running 24 right, clear to land, traffic will hold in position.
Okay, clear train 24 right, Asiana 202 Super. Tower, Asiana 202 Super, vacate via Bravo Bravo.
Asiana 202 Super, thank you, exit Bravo Bravo, cross runway 24 left, contact ground point 75 at the checkpoint, use the bridge route.
Vacate via Bravo Bravo, then close runway 24 left is a bridge route to checkpoint 3, ground to point 75, Asiana 202.
Tower Spirit 2322, over Toby.
Spirit 2322 LA Tower, wind 0904, and 24 right, clear to land, traffic holding in position. Caution wake turbulence, you follow the Super Airbus.
24 right, clear land, Spirit 2322.
Spirit 2322, cross runway 24 left at Alpha Alpha, taxi to the bridge route, ground point 75 at the checkpoint. Good morning.
Alright, cross runway 24 left, Alpha Alpha, and then bridge route, that's the ground, Spirit wing, 322 left.
LA Tower, United 2434 Heavy, pilot 24 right.
United 2434 LA Tower, wind calm, runway 24 right, clear to land. Good morning.
Clear to land, 24 right, United 2434 Heavy. Tower, this is Delta 1721. We are 4000 for the visual 24 right.
Delta 1721, LA Tower, traffic holding in position 737, 11803, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 24 right, Delta 1721.